Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vijay Sabre and we are talking about why people behave differently at work. This is the topic of the subject organizational behavior. In this PPT, we are discussing about the introduction, personality, perception, interaction in the workplace and real life examples. So, first of all, we are discussing about understanding individual differences. What do you think, like why this matters? Impact of understanding, benefit of managers. Recognizing individual differences enhances team management, boosts motivation, and contributes to organizational prosperity. And benefits to manager, being aware of perceptual biases and aligning roles with individual traits. So in the second point, we are discussing about personality, the definition and major theories of personality. What is personality and what are the components of personality? Personality is the collection of traits that consistently dictate how an individual thinks, feels and acts across varying scenarios. Also, the what are the components of personality? Encompasses various aspects like emotional reactions, ingrained attitudes, self perceptions, and individuals' perceived control over their environment. So, these are some components. Now, we will discuss about major theories of personalities. So, these are four major theories of personality: trait theory, the Big Five model, understanding neuroticism, exploring extraversion. Next, our third point is perception, the process and impact. So, here is the core concept and nature of perception describes how each person interprets stimuli impacting workplace reactions uniquely and subconsciously. Another side, perception nature, it is influenced by personal bias, expectations, experiences, the characteristics of the target or situation, and the context. Also, there are some influencing factors of perception: the perceiver's role, importance of target characteristics, contextual perception, example of contextual perception. Our fourth point is interaction in the workplace. Person environment interaction, defining how people interact. Workplace behavior emerges from the continuing interplay which balances an individual's personality and external environment. Other point is implication on behavior. Behavior results from continuous interactions between personal values and the circumstances in the work environment. So here is the Levin's model. Here is the behavior explained. Levin's model. B is called as behavior and P is called as person and E is called as environment. Highlights that behavior is a function of both person and environment. What is the model application? A motivated person in a stagnant work environment will behave differently than in a vibrant one. These are some perceptual errors. Here are the types of errors and how we avoid these bias. So what are the type of errors? Stereotyping, halo effect and attribute errors can skew judgment and affect workplace interactions negatively. Other side, avoid these biases. Reducing bias in decision making boosts team synergy and creates fair working conditions which boost employee engagement. So the last one point is real life examples. Here is the example of diverse team dynamics, including tech startup scenario and team performance. An extroverted manager shares thoughts openly, while an introverted analyst prefers written feedback, which demonstrates personality affects communication. It's about the tech startup scenario and team performance. The manager's open style cultivates collaborations while the analyst supports detailed exploration of all the options in that team. Next, we have the summary and key takeaways. Here are some core principles like main idea restated, benefits of understanding differences. So guys,